Hey everyone, this is me, Rob in the Philippines. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about where I found my apartment at, the pros and cons, and my rented business. Alright, here we are at my front door. And try to get better picture of that. Get that camera. There we go. Walking in. Try to get better view. There we go. There's my kitchen sink area. That's where I do my dishes, and here's my pots and pans to help me remember where they are. Here's my little pantry. And here's my fridge. Here's my little kitchen table. Here's a mirror where I look at myself. And then we got a little work area right here. And there's a door right here to my bedroom. So here we go. Here's my bedroom. Right here we got a little area, fan, little hangers for my clothes. Here's my little paint area, workstation. Got my bed right here, and then we got over here on the left, we got a dresser where I put my clothes. And then coming over here, we got my bathroom. Got my sink, toilet, all that good stuff. Hot water, all that, shower. And then we come back, and then there is a 2-section balcony. Well, 2-door section. So here, we'll go outside and check that out. So here's my view of what I can't see. So here we go, here's through the first door, and this is what you get to look at. And then we come over here, and here's the other door to my bedroom. And then here's what we get to see. Heard it's a decent view. So I found this place over Facebook Market. So when I first came to the Philippines, I rented an Airbnb, and I got that for a week. And I went to different apartments mostly every day with my girlfriend, and we looked and looked, and then we found this place over Facebook Market. Browsing through Facebook Market, I had a 3-point checklist that I wanted a place close to the city, affordable, and fully furnished. And this place had all 3. And now I've been here for 2 months, and it's been great. It's close to everything I need, close to the hospitals, everything is walking distance, and the neighborhood is great. So the pros and cons of living here, I'll start off with the pros. The cons. Start off with cons. So the cons are, it's upstairs. I don't know if that is the actual con, but some people say it is, some people don't. I personally wanted something upstairs, but there's a lot of steps. Another con is there's a bunch of college kids that are living downstairs, and they party hard downstairs every weekend. The third con is that there's a bunch of geckos everywhere, and they're noisy and loud. And the last con is that this place is actually made out of drywall. So I don't know how safe that is, but it's working for me. And that's what I mean with the geckos. He's saying hi to you right now. And so the pros are that it is small enough where I can get around and memorize everything, and I know where everything is, and I don't need much space as is. Another pro is I'm the only one upstairs, so I don't have any loud neighbors on the sides of me, and my downstairs neighbor is great. They don't make any noise. And then another pro is everything is within walking distance. Our pedicab 5-minute drive. So to me that's a con. Sorry, a pro. Hey guys, so if you guys are interested in a place like this or something like this, my bills come up to, my rent first off comes up to 10,000 pesos. My electric comes up to between 2 and 4,000 pesos, and my Wi-Fi monthly comes up to 2,000.5 pesos. So guys, if you guys are interested in a place like this or something like this, that roughly comes up to 13 to 15,000 per month, which in US dollars is roughly to $280 to $300. So I hope you enjoy my little walkthrough of my 1-bedroom apartment, and please like and subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, give me comments, let me know how it is. Thanks.